Benjamin Fulford's blog, 2010, January 5th. This is on his free blog. There's also the other one you have to pay for, $8 US a month, that I'm not going to read out because he copyrighted it, so I don't really want to cut him out of any financial support for that. So if you want to go check it out, do so. It's benjaminfulford.net. But anyway, okay, here we go. benjaminfulford.com, free blog. 2 blue moons in a row, one New Year's Eve in the west and one on New Year's Day in the east on December 21st, 2009. A group of shamans held a ceremony by a lake in the Philippines. Whatever the case, there was heavy rain and thick cloud over as the group headed to the lake for a ceremony to mark a change in how Western civilization behaves. When we arrived at the lake, suddenly an area of blue sky appeared immediately above us. All around there was still heavy cloud cover and rain. However, directly over our heads in the middle of the circle of blue sky there was a new moon. Then on New Year's Eve, the world experienced an unheralded but precious event, a blue moon on New Year's Eve in the west and a second blue moon on New Year's Day in Asia. A blue moon means a second full moon in 1 month. A full moon on New Year's Eve happens only once in every 2 decades or so. 2 blue moons in a row at the turn of the decade and the year has probably not happened for centuries or longer. Thus, although I have been trained in science and skepticism, I believe we have had a very auspicious beginning into 2010, the year of the tiger. Furthermore, multiple reliable sources both in Asia and the West are reporting major happy changes happening soon, possibly this week or this month. We are more hopeful than we have been in a long time, but we will believe it when we see it. And that's the end of Ben Fulford's blog at benjaminfulford.com. Got a few new playlists up there for anyone actually interested in solutions rather than just focusing on the problem all the time. These three playlists I've just put up and featured. And also, did you know tax is only for corporate entities? Yes, I got this very interesting blog that I started called ATO Income Tax, claiming all withheld back, and you'll actually find that income tax was sort of conned upon us back before World War II, after the stock market crash of 1929, and yeah, what they did was they made us believe that we were individuals over here in Australia, or persons, it seems to be over there in the US, and a person, when you actually look up the definition of a person, it is basically a company. And then what they do is make you think that income is everything that you earn. No, it's not. Income is only profit. So hoodwinked us doubly. But anyway, go check them out. I'll put links in the sidebar. And I'm also into this other one as well, another forum on the FREEMAN Society. It is Accepted for Value. You got to check out this guy, Owen Schiff, paynoincometax.com. He's got a heap of audio and videos there. I'll provide the link in the side as soon as I can. It seems to be down at the moment. Yeah, Owen actually goes into it, like I was just actually saying, into it more, and actually shows you the evidence of the fraud and how they're trying to keep quiet, knowing that you don't have to really pay. Unless you are a company and that company actually makes a profit. That's income. Not like most of us employees. Be sure to check my comments, as I don't have the time to put everything on YouTube. Skeptical? I am too. Check out my playlist from for confirmations. If you look, you may find these sources have stories that have been cross-confirmed. What I'm actually trying to do now is put the confirmations in the same playlist so you can see them straight after the article. These are all the playlists I would advise to look at for cross-confirming and collaboration. If you find anything that is not, or anything that proves any of these articles wrong or right, please send a message and let me know, and I'll give you credit. youtube.com/ThankYouWhiteKnights